Welcome to a vital discussion on male circulation and overall wellness, specifically tailored for men navigating life after 60. This session aims to provide clear, actionable insights into maintaining a healthy circulatory system and enhancing your quality of life as you age. As we age, understanding the intricate changes occurring within our bodies, particularly our circulatory system, becomes increasingly important for maintaining a high quality of life. These changes, while natural, can be managed effectively with the right knowledge and proactive steps. The cardiovascular system, a complex and vital network of blood vessels, is responsible for the continuous and efficient delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients throughout your entire body, ensuring every cell functions optimally. It's the body's internal transportation system, working tirelessly every second of every day. After 60, various physiological factors, such as increased arterial stiffness and the gradual buildup of plaque on artery walls, can significantly affect blood flow. This can potentially lead to serious conditions like hypertension, also known as high blood pressure or peripheral artery disease, which affects blood circulation outside of the heart and brain. Recognizing these subtle yet significant changes early is absolutely key to proactive health management and preventing more serious complications down the line. Early detection and intervention can make a profound difference in your long-term health outcomes and overall well-being. One of the most significant and impactful aspects of wellness for men over 60 is diligently maintaining a heart-healthy diet. What you eat directly influences the health of your cardiovascular system, making dietary choices a powerful tool for longevity. Focus on incorporating foods rich in beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, such as wild-caught salmon, and ensure you consume plenty of fiber from whole grains like oats and brown rice, as well as legumes like lentils and beans, to robustly support your cardiovascular health. These nutrients play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Limiting processed foods, which often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats, along with excessive sodium intake and unhealthy fats found in many fried and fast foods, can significantly reduce your risk of developing heart disease and improve your overall circulatory health. Making these dietary adjustments can have a profound positive impact. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of good circulation and overall well-being, acting as a powerful preventative measure against many age-related health issues. It's not just about staying fit, it's about keeping your internal systems running smoothly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week, which can include activities such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. These types of exercises strengthen your heart and improve blood flow throughout your body, making your cardiovascular system more efficient. Incorporating strength training 2 to 3 times a week also helps maintain crucial muscle mass and bone density, both of which are essential as you age. Strong muscles support your joints and improve your metabolism, while healthy bones reduce the risk of fractures. Even simple, everyday activities like gardening, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or going for a short walk can contribute significantly to a more active lifestyle. Every bit of movement adds up and positively impacts your circulatory health and overall vitality. Managing stress effectively is paramount for maintaining optimal cardiovascular health, as chronic stress can lead to elevated blood pressure and an increased heart rate, putting undue strain on your heart and blood vessels. Finding healthy ways to cope with stress is vital. Practices such as meditation, which can calm the mind and body, deep breathing exercises that promote relaxation, or simply spending quality time in nature can significantly reduce stress levels. These activities help to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and promote a sense of well-being. Prioritizing adequate sleep, typically aiming for 7 to 9 hours per night, is also vital for your body's repair and recovery processes. During sleep, your body works to heal and restore itself, including your cardiovascular system, making it a non-negotiable aspect of good health. Regular medical checkups are indispensable for monitoring your health status and catching potential issues early, often before they become serious problems. These routine visits allow healthcare professionals to assess your overall health and identify any emerging concerns. It is crucial to discuss any concerns you may have about your circulation, blood pressure, or cholesterol levels with your doctor. They can provide personalized advice, recommend appropriate screenings, and help you understand your individual risk factors, ensuring you receive the best possible care. These regular visits are absolutely crucial for tailoring a wellness plan that suits your unique individual needs and specific health profile. Your doctor can help you set realistic goals and provide guidance on diet, exercise, and any necessary medications, ensuring a comprehensive approach to your health. Maintaining strong social connections and actively engaging in mentally stimulating activities also contributes significantly to overall wellness and a fulfilling life. Human connection and mental engagement are just as important as physical health for men over 60. Staying connected with friends and family, participating in community groups, or pursuing new hobbies like learning a musical instrument or a new language can boost mood, enhance cognitive function, and provide a sense of purpose and belonging. These activities keep your mind sharp and your spirits high. Remember, wellness after 60 is about embracing a comprehensive and holistic approach to health, combining physical activity, mental engagement, and social well-being. It's about nurturing every aspect of your life to achieve optimal health and happiness. By consistently adopting these practices into your daily routine, you can significantly enhance your circulation, boost your vitality, and greatly increase your enjoyment of life for many years to come. It's an investment in your future self, ensuring a vibrant and active retirement.